As most people are probably aware right now, Trump announced a crypto strategic reserve for the US. And as you can imagine, price and the market reacted very bullish in the last 24 hours. You can see some projects like Cardano seeing almost 2,000 up. You can see some projects like Cardano are up almost 2,000% in volume change in the last 24 hours. As you can imagine, this sparked a lot of bullish sentiment, but I want to be here to remind everyone that sometimes you want to buy the news and sell the hype. In this type of situation, for me personally, I look at this in the sense of you're talking about the US government, which moves like a fucking snail. So it could take a matter of months for the actual US crypto reserve to be added, which means that there is a decent opportunity on the short and medium term for a pullback or a cooldown. As you can imagine, there are a lot of people and a lot of new traders that hyped up in the market yesterday and started FOMO chasing or fear of missing out chasing green candles. I'm sure some people are buying Cardano when it was up 54% on the day, which now currently is down about 13-14%. And if this continues to slip another, let's say 25 to 30%, you've already lost half of your investment in less than 48 hours. Going into the long-term conversation though, this is all extremely bullish. What I'm really watching for is Bitcoin dominance to officially start selling off, to hit this SR flip, break down off this support, go into a resistance, and really start to play to the downside. You've noticed that we've created higher highs on price action, we've created lower highs on volume, which would be a regular bearish divergence. And at the end of the day, if you are waiting for an altcoin season, you want Bitcoin dominance to drop into the low 50s and high 40s. That will allow money to flow from Bitcoin into the other crypto assets, which can then allow for projects to actually take off and do their 10, 20, 50, 100x like we've seen previously in 2021. But at the end of the day, when I'm looking at Bitcoin at this current moment, we are in a bearish crossover based on the EPIQ crossover strategy. So if this does want to hit an LRC resistance at a double top or maybe create a regular bearish divergence, so higher highs on price and lower highs on volume in the MACD, I'd be expecting some sort of retracement and pullback so we can test the longer term retracements and test longer term support levels on the 4-hour and the daily charts in particular. And from there, we can really see the market start to take off. And for me personally, I am a hyper bull in the crypto space. I want to see Bitcoin hit 150 to 185,000, and I've been talking about this for a few months, that it's better for us to have a little bit of a pullback into the EPIQ golden pocket, anywhere from 80 to 70,000, and then push to the top side, because that gives us a higher probability and a faster chance of getting to 150,000. Which is going to be a little bit different than what we were doing before, which is create all-time high, sell off, 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 and all of these pushes are maybe 5 to 10%. So at the end of the day, I am extremely bullish on the crypto space. I think that altcoin season hasn't even started. I think that it is around the corner. So if you do want to come trade with me or get access to my trades, the community, the buy and sell signals, the mobile app, all of that is available at epictradingfloor.com. I'll tag it in the video and I'll also tag it in the description as well. And mind you, there are limited seats available in the EPIQ mentorship program, where I teach you from start to finish how to use the EPIQ trading strategy, which since July of 2024 has an 85% win rate through over 100 trades tested and over a 51% profit per trade. So I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you're tuning in the world. If you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to answer them. And I will see you on the next video.